For over a decade, working in Marketo meant clicking, a lot of clicking. Build the smart list, set the flow step, QA the campaign. If you run an MOPS team, you know the drag. The actual strategy gets squeezed into the margins between maintenance tasks and manual audits. But the game just changed. Marketo just became programmable. I've been building automations for 15 years, and this is the biggest shift I've seen. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the Marketo MCP server and the 9 use cases that are going to change how you work forever. First, what is the Marketo MCP server? In plain English, it's a bridge. It allows AI models to talk directly to your Marketo instance. It provides a standardized way for agents to read and write data programmatically, bypassing the traditional user interface entirely. This means you're no longer limited by what you can click. You're limited only by what you can describe and architect. Crucially, it operates inside your existing governance. It's secure, predictable, and fully under your control. Every action is logged, ensuring that your automation remains transparent and your data stays protected according to enterprise standards. This is the real shift. We are moving from being Marketo operators to being Marketo orchestrators. Use case number 1. Audit your Marketo instance without the archaeology. No more manual hunting through legacy folders. The MCP server can scan your entire setup in seconds, identifying logic gaps and naming convention violations that have been buried for years. Think about the time you'll save. What used to take a week of manual digging now happens in the time it takes to grab a coffee. You get a clean, actionable report of exactly what needs to be fixed to keep your instance running at peak performance. Use case number 2. Building Marketo Smart List from a simple sentence. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Instead of dragging and dropping 30 different filters, you just tell the AI exactly who you need to find. The AI understands your custom fields and your specific naming conventions. It builds the logic for you instantly. It's accurate, it's fast, and it ensures that your targeting is always precise, regardless of how complex your data structure is. Use case number 3, normalize data in real time inside the flow. This is the holy grail for clean CRM data. You can catch and fix inconsistent data before it ever hits your CRM, ensuring that your reporting and routing are always based on clean facts. Dirty data is a silent killer of marketing ROI. The MCP server gives you a real-time defense against data decay. Your sales team gets better leads, your reporting becomes more accurate, and your automation runs without a single hiccup. Use case 4. QA your programs before they launch. We've all had that fear of activating a campaign that isn't quite ready. The MCP server acts as an automated second pair of eyes, verifying wait steps, tokens, and logic to ensure a flawless launch every time. No more manual checklists and no more midnight fire drills because a token didn't populate correctly. The AI handles the verification. You launch with total confidence, knowing that every detail has been programmatically verified against your best practices. 5th, investigating record and routing issues. When a lead doesn't route correctly, finding out why can be a nightmare. With the MCP server, you can query the routing logic directly. It identifies exactly where the record got stuck or diverted in the flow. This ends the era of the black box. You get immediate visibility into why a record behaved the way it did, so you can fix it and move on. Routing issues that used to take hours to troubleshoot are now resolved in minutes, keeping your lead flow moving at full speed. 6th, form creation and cloning. If you need to spin up dozens of forms for a multi-region campaign, this is a game changer. You can automate the creation and configuration of forms at scale, ensuring every hidden field and tracking parameter is set perfectly every time. Stop doing manual data entry in the Marketo UI. Let the MCP server handle the cloning and customization while you focus on the strategy. You can launch global campaigns in a fraction of the time, with the absolute certainty that every form is configured correctly for its specific region. 7th, managing asset expiration and content lifecycles. An overgrown Marketo instance is a slow Marketo instance. The MCP server can automatically identify and archive legacy assets, expired offers, and old landing pages based on your predefined rules. Keep your instance lean and your search results clean. Automated archival ensures that your team is always working with the latest assets. Your instance stays organized, your assets stay compliant, and your MOPS team stays productive without the manual cleanup days. 8th, Validating webhook workflows. Integrations are the backbone of the modern tech stack, but they can be fragile. The MCP server allows you to test and validate webhook payloads before they fire, ensuring that your third-party syncs are always robust. No more broken syncs and no more data loss between systems. The AI verifies the connection and the data structure in real time. Your integrations become more reliable, giving you a rock-solid foundation for your multi-channel marketing efforts. And finally, use case 9, extracting data for external BI tools. Sometimes you need to see the big picture outside of Marketo. The MCP server makes it easy to query and extract exactly the data you need for your data lake or your business intelligence dashboards. Power your executive reporting with live, accurate data. No more manual exports and no more stale spreadsheets. You get a true single source of truth for your marketing performance, allowing for data-driven decisions that drive enterprise growth. This brings me to the Engage Pulse marketing operations maturity model. We are talking about moving from operational to strategic. At stage 1, you're reactive. You're constantly putting out fires and fighting with messy data and manual tasks. This brings me to stage 2, operational. You have processes, but they're still manual and they still take up all your time. At stage 3, you're structured. Your instance is clean, but you're still clicking to build every campaign. Stage 4 is integrated. Your systems talk to each other, but you're not yet leveraging the power of AI to orchestrate at scale. And finally, stage 5, strategic. With the MCP server, you're not just running Marketo, you're orchestrating a growth engine. This is where you want to be. This is where you have the career leverage and the organizational impact you've been working for. The programmable Marketo is the catalyst that takes you from the margins of the business to the center of the strategy. For students and young professionals, this is your competitive advantage. Mastering these tools today sets you apart from everyone else. But remember, with great power comes the need for great transparency. Trust is the foundation of enterprise marketing. Always ensure your AI agents operate within your governance. They should fail visibly and recoverably, and they must be auditable. Don't just build fast, build right. Governance isn't just about security, it's about building an automation stack you can trust at scale. Now is the time to audit your stack and identify the high-impact moves that will drive your efficiency and your ROI. The MCP server isn't just a technical upgrade, it's an ROI multiplier for your entire marketing organization. I've barely scratched the surface here. Want to see the full breakdown and the technical specs? Read the full blog at engagepulse.io. If you're ready to take your instance to the next level, email or message me directly to learn more about Core Pulse for Enterprise. Don't forget to follow for more takes on enterprise automation. Email or message me directly for inquiries. I'm Nathaniel Johnson. Thanks for watching. Ready to streamline your growth? Visit us at engagepulse.io. Engage Pulse, your partner in the programmable future.